This is Migration Mark in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, and I've just ordered what I think is maybe one of my favorite meals in the entire world. It's called nasi campur and ikan bakar, which is a grilled fish. Just grab some of the vegetables, dip in with your hand. Flavored with coconut milk. Oh, that's so good. Some of the eggplant. And then this giant block of tofu in chili sauce. Malaysian food is one of the finest foods on earth for sure. The grilled mackerel fish called ikan bakar. I'm gonna grab a piece first. Sauce. I'm gonna try this sauce first. Chilies. Grab a piece of that. Oh, that is insane. Even though I just had a fish, I couldn't resist eating another ikan bakar. This is Malaysian style, grilled Malaysian style fish. It's just, the aroma will force you to stop. I'm gonna try to get in here and get a seat. Dip it in the sauce provided. Put that on the rice. It's killer. It's marinated in some orange red sauce that's unbelievable. We've just got a snack. Little dumpling things, almost like empanadas. They're filled with beans and spices, maybe some kind of like dal or gobi spice. It's like an Indian Malaysian empanada. It started downpouring outside, so dipped into this restaurant called Restaurant Yusef Dan Zakir, and I'm gonna drink one of the most popular beverages in Malaysia, which is called teh tarik, and it's a sweet milk tea. I have arrived at the pinnacle destination, Hamid's fish head curry. We're gonna go get some nasi kandar, which is Indian food, Malaysian style. You get a piece of chicken. Grab one piece of bread. As you can see, I couldn't control my excitement. Ended up ordering a lot more food than I should have, but I'm quite happy about it. This Hamid's mutton curry is some of the best stuff I've ever had actually. More tender. Vegetables. This is the nasi kandar. Got dal, which is wonderful. It's almost a soup dal. And Hamid's is also famous for their tandoori chicken. Look at that. It's just red and beautiful. Got a bone here, but so smoky. Came straight out of the clay oven. Throw some dal on it too, why not? The heap of food has now been reduced to a few chicken bones and some sauce on my fingers. I've reached almost the end of this 12-hour lunch fest in Kuala Lumpur. The final dish is going to be something called nasi lemak, which is right before me, and it's a real Malaysian classic comfort food. Rice, an egg, dried fish with peanuts, and dried fish in a red sauce.